Hi, in this lesson, we will learn that how we can add course progress with continue button block. So basically, we have a course progress and course continue button separately, but this course progress with continue button will help you to show the course progress bar and the continue button together. So you can add this block on any pages you want. For example, I'm a student, and if I visit any of my page, I can see my course progress bar, and I can continue my course from any pages, like maybe on from home page or any other pages. So I only cannot access my course from the course page. I also can access my course from the other pages. So if I click on this continue, it will move to my lesson. So I added this progress with continue button on the home page so that specific course student can see the course progress with continue button on home page. So how to add it? So here I have college planning course content. So I will add the course progress with continue button in this area. So what I have to do, I have to just hover over here and I have to search for course progress with continue button. Here you can see the course progress with continue button. I will add it. And now you can see it's showing that no course selected. So we have to select a specific course here. So on the right side, we can see we have course continue settings. So from this course option, I will select a specific course so that the specific course students can access this option. So now I'll update it. And if I view my page and refresh it, it will be here again. It is.